In this video, I will show you the interactive mode of programming using Python shell. So for that you have to click the start menu and open the Python, ideally 3.8.8 64-bit. So, so here we see that the Python 3.8.1 shell is open to us, and here we have to write the Python code. So for that we first write print when we press enter, we see that Hi Subotek is printed. Suppose we write 8 plus 3, which show us 11. Suppose we write 8 minus 3, it print 5. We write 8 into 3, it give us 824. We write 8 font slash single slash 3, it give us 2.66665. And when we write 8 double font slash 3, it will show us result 2. So when we use single font slash, it gives us the result after the decimal, and when we use double slash, it will give us the result only before the decimal, without the result after the decimal. So suppose uh, we write 9 percentile 2 and we press enter, we see 1 is printed. 9 percentile 2 means when we divide 9 by 2, it gives us the remainder. Percentile give us only the remainder result. And we print 7 double multiplication 2 49. It means 7 double multiplication is same as to the power. So it means 7 to the power 2 means 49. Suppose we again say 6 to the power 2, and it give us 36. So again we can write 10 to the power 3. It means 1000 it printed to us. We can also perform the different type of uh, operation, like we want to show the area of a rectangle after giving the base and height. So I give the base is equal to 10, height is equal to 20, and give the formula of the area of the rectangle. So give 0.5 is half into base into height, and when we press enter, it gives us the result 100. So we give base at is equal to 10, height as 20, and when we give the formula of the area, it print us 100. We can also perform the polynomial expression. Suppose I give 5 plus 2 and into 3, and when we press enter, we see that 11 is printed because multiplication sign is higher precedence than plus addition sign. So it first execute it 2 into 3. So give us the result 6, and then 5 plus 6 is 11. So we can also write, suppose 5 plus 2 into 3, press enter, it give us 21 because parenthesis has the highest precedence. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 is executed, and then into 3 is equal to, suppose 7 into 3, 21, give us 21. So this is how we can perform different type of arithmetic operation using Python shell.